Hey, there. So, we all have that one snack we can't stop munching on, right? For me, it's peanuts. Toasted, crunchy peanuts. They're like the snack that never lets you down. But instead of grabbing a bag at the store, today we're making them ourselves, right here in my kitchen. And trust me, it's so simple. Plus, you get all the good stuff, none of that mystery oil or extra junk. Just peanuts in their pure, crunchy glory. Let's get into it. Okay, real talk, peanuts are more than just tasty. They're a legit powerhouse snack. Protein? Check. Good fats? Double check. They're like a mini boost of energy in every bite. But they're not just about being healthy, they taste awesome, too. And hey, who doesn't want a snack that's both delicious and actually good for you? I mean, if this peanut could talk, it'd probably be like, "Hey, I'm packed with protein, I keep your heart healthy, and I'm fun at parties. You really can't lose here." So, toasting peanuts? It's like the easiest thing ever. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a pan and some love for your peanuts. First things first, heat your pan on medium. We're going for a slow toast here, no rushing. You know how life is, sometimes, slow and steady wins the race. Now, you gotta stir these guys. Don't get lazy here, they deserve a little attention. Think of it like a quick workout, nothing too intense, just enough to keep things moving. You know how peanuts are, they like a little TLC. Now, here's where you can get creative. You could totally leave these peanuts plain, and they'd be delicious. But where's the fun in that? Let's kick it up a notch, got some salt? Throw it in. Personally, I love a sweet-salty combo, but now I prefer a little bit of saltiness. Yup. That's the good stuff. Toasted to perfection with a pinch of salt, you can't beat homemade. And hey, if your favorite is just plain peanuts, no judgment. Sometimes, simple is the way to go. And honestly, that's all we really need, right? Perfectly toasted peanuts, a sprinkle of salt, and boom, you've got yourself the perfect snack. Here it is, folks, the moment of truth. Look at these beauties, all golden and crispy. Let's give them a try. Yup. That's the good stuff. Homemade, no additives, just pure peanut goodness. I swear, once you toast your own peanuts, you'll never go back to the store-bought stuff. And hey, next time you're craving a snack, instead of reaching for chips or something sugary, why not whip up a batch of these? They're healthy, they're easy, and you get to customize them however you want. Plus, there's something kinda satisfying about knowing you made them yourself, right? Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for hanging out with me while we got a little toasty, a peanut style. Don't forget to try this at home, and let me know how it goes. Subscribe for more cooking healthy inspiration. God bless.